How to fix iPhone not charging. So here are several steps that you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. So first step is that you have to take the charging cable and adapter. So here you can see my charging cable. So you have to inspect the cable and look for any visible damage. So if the cable appears damaged, you can replace it with a new one. So you can test here, and if the charger doesn't work, you can test with another cable of your iPhone. So you have to use a different cable and adapter to rule out issues with the charger. Also, you can inspect the charging port. You have to clean the charging port. Due to the dust, iPhone charging port and the block can block the connection. So you have to use a soft brush, compressed air, or toothpick gently to remove any built up dust here. So if the charging port is damaged, you may need to visit to an Apple store or any authorized repair service. Also, sometimes a simple software glitch can cause charging issue. Restart your phone by turning it off and turn it again here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix your issue. Or if none of this step work, you have to go and visit to your Apple store or repair service. That's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.